please stand and remove your hats. Veterans, please salute. You're invited to join two-time Grammy Award-winning recording artist and Philly's very own Jazmine Sullivan as she sings our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red cloud, the bombs bursting in air, gave through the night that our flag was still there. Does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Honoring America, Jazmine.
Wow, what a way to set the tone. Game 5 of the World Series. Justin Verlander getting set to go. Ball 9-2, and when we come back, Joe Davis and John Smoltz have the call from Philly.